a wedding can be quite a task, but at least there are the presents to look forward to. But what happens if by the end of it all your guests leave you piled up with is 20 dinner sets and another 50 dozen mugs? Well, on Elevator Pitch this week, a startup called ShareYourJoy.com believes it has a solution.
The band baja, the festivities and the celebrations. Yes, your wedding day is certainly the happiest day of your life. Cut to 3 weeks later though. You have a pile of expenses, a new car, a new house and well, new bill. So can your wedding gifts help you relieve of this burden of expense? Well, not if you're going to get 12 frames, 7 different statues or 10 dining sets. That's exactly where Share Your Joy comes in. A gift registry portal where you can make all your dreams come true by making a wish list. This wish list is mailed to your friends and family, who can simply buy or contribute to a gift of your choice. ShareYourJoy.com has gifts from 100 to 2 lakh rupees, which means your guests can choose the right gift for you which fits into their budget, right from home appliances to gizmos and honeymoon packages. Our revenue model includes commissions from 8 to 25% on every transaction made or a gift given. We also have revenues from advertising. We also aim to target events like birthdays, baby showers and housewarming parties. We expect our revenues to be 5 lakhs by end of this year, which will grow to 1 crore by 2014. We would like to make a pitch of 1 crore rupees for 20% stake in our company. The money will be utilized for expansion of the company, marketing and technological advancements. We make your dreams and occasions complete. So go now and register at ShareYourJoy.com.
So has the investor been convinced enough to share his kitty with this startup? Let's find out.
Amit Grover is a friend, advisor and mentor for startups and entrepreneurs. An IIT and IIM graduate, Grover has worked with renowned companies like Infosys, Asian Paints and Oneida. He's also part of one of India's largest angel networks, the Mumbai Angels. Most recently, he started the Nurture Talent Academy, an academy focused on training the future entrepreneurs of tomorrow. We showed him the pitch and here's what he had to say.
I believe in terms of the customer pain point, it is absolutely there. There are people who don't understand what to gift, why to gift, when to gift, how much to pay for. This concept is unique to India, although it has been established all across the world, primarily in the US and Europe. I would say the market is huge, but if you limit yourself to an online channel, then there's a very limited market size that you can actually cater to. The market is bigger if you take it offline. So it could be tie-up with all the wedding service providers, it could be architects, interior decorators, wedding planners, designers, florists. In terms of the key challenges, I would say customer traction, marketing, branding, team are the key challenges. Right now she is a single person army trying to run the show all by herself. She has to work really hard as far as the financials and revenue projections are concerned. She is looking for investment of 1 crore in for 20% stake currently. With that she is projected to achieve 1 crore in year 5. Now how much of that would be profit, whether it will be profit or not, it's still to be argued. In terms of exit strategy for this company, it could be a good investment decision, considering that this could be a potential buyout target for a Shaadi.com or a BharatMatrimony.com. I would really like to explore this more in the future. Not currently, but yes, in the next 100 days and later on, I'll definitely see how the progress is and then we can decide whether to invest or not.
So there you have it. That's what our investor made of that pitch. But we'd love to hear from you. Write into us on startingup@etnow.tv. Don't forget to send us a profile of your startup, and you could well be the next one to be featured here on the show. And if emailing isn't your thing, you can also send us an SMS on 58888. All you need to do is type SU, leave a space followed by your message. You know we'd love to hear from you. With that, we'll wrap it up here on the show this week. But before we go, as we say every week, remember, there's never a better time than now to go out there and start up.